to online drama class! Today we're going to work on the art of folly. What is the art of folly, you may be thinking? Well, the art began a long time ago in radio shows. It's to create sound effects live with props or ordinary objects. Let's take a look. For example, can you hear this? This sound effect could be placed with this image. But actually, it was done like this. Let's hear more! What could that be? Yeah, it's a beating heart. But the sound was actually made like this. One more example. One more example. One more. Okay, let's do one more. What could that be? Someone slammed a door. But actually, the sound was made like this. It's your turn to discover what sounds you have at home. Explore, be creative, and have fun. Bye!